How do you convince someone who doesn't want to go to the doctor to go to the doctor?
Well, the short answer, and this is a great question from Larry C., is you actually can't convince someone who doesn't want to do something to do anyone, but you can evolve them along kind of a timeline, if you will, or a journey of that thought process. And I think the first tip would be to recruit some help, other friends or family, so that it's not just you. And then to speak in a first-person, non-judgmental, concerned, and empathetic manner, just to say, I'm concerned about you, we're concerned about you, maybe we could learn more, I understand that this is scary, and ask some open-ended questions to hear why that person may be reluctant to go to the doctor. And what I normally say to patients is, the unknown is scarier than the known. We can deal with anything once we know what it is. But not knowing what it is actually the scariest thing.
So it's not a good idea to set them up, act like you're going to a restaurant and pull up to the doctor's office?
No, I would absolutely not recommend that.
All right, Doc, what's your prescription for wellness? So
this would be, really my prescription for how to kind of involve people or be involved in someone's care if you're a caregiver, which a lot of people are. You also want to include the patient and don't cut them out of this. Don't, make them like a child in this. So you want to involve them in any discussion that you're having with the doctor or anyone else on their team. You also want to find experts. You don't have to DIY this. So mental health professionals, social workers, some faith leaders, anyone else who can help you navigate this uncharted territory. And then you want to focus on the comfort of the patient. It doesn't necessarily have to be a cure. It doesn't necessarily have to be a miraculous change, but just making that person comfortable. And lastly, but definitely not least, you want to take care of yourself. Caregivers are oftentimes ignored, and if you collapse, you're not going to be able to help that person.
That's the best advice right there. Thank you. And folks, we'd love to hear from you, so hit us up on Instagram with all of your medical questions for Dr. Jen at ABCGMA3.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.